everyone, welcome back to day 24 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. It is Christmas Eve. I hope you're all relaxing, enjoying the day, and just finishing up what you need to so you can enjoy tomorrow as well, if you do celebrate, and if not, I just hope you're having a wonderful day. So I did make the projects, and I have them here. So the first one, there are two in that pattern. Right here you can see. I did make the rotary cutter holder and the scissor holder, and I'll talk about them after I open today's item, because I know a lot of you just come here for that, right? So let's get to it. So day 24. All right. Remember we guessed it was some sort of book. "101 delightful iron-on quilt labels." Oh, this is nice. With stitching, coloring, and painting. I like this. Okay, so these are iron-on labels. Oh, they're really neat. You can see some of them. So you must cut them out, iron them on, and then you can fill them out. That's a really neat item. I don't have any of the fabric pens. Well, I think we got 2 last year, but I don't have any other ones. I might have to get some and try these out. There's some really cute motifs. Look at the Christmas ones. So cute. So cute. All right, so this is a neat gift. I don't have any of these, so I can't wait to try it. There's a lot of wonderful ones too. All right, this is a great gift. Well done. Well done, Missouri Star. All right, so before I take a peek at and a guess of our very last one, how sad, I am going to talk to you a little bit about this project, and also, before I forget, give you the evaluation of the value of this. So the pattern itself is $6. The hardware was $2. I looked it up on the Sally Tomatoes website. So that brings our total for day 23 to $8. If you add that in to what we had before, it brings our grand total to $308, which is $128 over what we paid. Incredible. All right, so this pattern is great, very beginner friendly. The hardware instructions are phenomenal. Really wonderful, wonderful pattern. If you're wanting to work with hardware but you're a little intimidated, this might be the pattern to start with. The first one is the rotary cutter case. You can see here my rotary cutter's in it. It has this flap that you put, or strap I should say, for the flap that you put in here. And very easy to make. Like I said, I probably didn't take my time as much with this one as I should have, so the quality's not as good, but the second one I definitely took my time with, and I really like the way it turned out. So this is the one that has the snaps. I see there's some threads I need to trim, but there's snaps on it, you can see here. So it does snap, and they're magnetic snaps, so they click right in. And this is for your scissors. And it's really nice. It's secure, so it's not going to come apart in your bag, and it does keep them padded and nice and keep them from cutting anything that you don't want them to cut. Okay, let's take a guess at tomorrow's Christmas Day. It's a box. I don't hear any styrofoam, so I don't think it's breakable. I also don't think it's fabric. It seems to be hard, whatever's in there. We'll have to see tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful night tonight for Christmas Eve, and I hope you spend wonderful time with your family. Put some cookies out for Santa, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.